Wow, 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 wow. It's very cool. In this video, we will show you how to use AI agent to build application inside WordPress. Maybe you still don't know with WordPress, we can build some application, even plugin using the AI agent. How to do that? First in here, you need to install the AI agent called ng. This is product from Elementor. Okay, you need just find the ng Elementor inside the Google search, and you will find the ng. Okay, AI for WordPress. You can just click this, and you can download this plugin. This plugin is free, so you can download this. Okay, if you want to see the URL here, you can see elementor.com/products/ng-ai-for-wordpress. Okay, after that, we need to back to our dashboard and go to the plugin section. After that, we can just add a plugin, and we can upload a plugin like this. Okay, and make sure you select the ng and click open, and then you can click install now. Okay, after you install the ng, you can activate the plugin. Just activate the plugin. You can agree to the terms, and you can click sign in. For the first time use, you need to register. Okay, so just follow the step until you see this page. After you activate the ng, the appearance, okay, is look like this. Below the dashboard menu, there is ng menu. Okay, how to use this ng? To use the ng for the first time, you can see there is many categories like Elementor widgets, WordPress admin snippets, website snippets, visual apps, or another. You can use some ideas, for example, website snippets like this, and you can click use this idea if you want to build big transition. But in here, in this case, we need to using describe what you want, so we can using the language model here. Okay, for example, I already prepared and want to try to creating the simple calculator apps. Okay, make a simple calculator plugin, clean look and responsive. Let's do this. Okay, just paste the command, and you can see we can just click this. The ng will receive your request, and you can see still thinking. And let's wait what ng can do this with the simple request like calculator plugin. It's very brainstorming to use this ng, because we can use much SaaS. Okay, like this. How you like to add this calculator to your page? Okay, we can using shortcode, or we can using Gutenberg block, we can using Elementor widget, other type. Let's try to using shortcode, for example. Let's using shortcode. Okay, all right, so the user want to creating a shortcodes. Let's just follow the answer, and later we can try to separate the tutorial and creating a plugin itself. It's ng can do that or not. Creating a calculator shortcode, done. Okay, and deploying calculator snippet to your site. Okay, it's done also. Simple calculator created. Okay, you can see there. We need to reload the page. Just click this. Okay, in 5 minutes the ng can build calculator, but we don't yet see the result, so we can see the result. Okay, it's loading. Okay, you can see this is still in sandbox. Okay, we need just to click publish to live here. Okay, we publish to live, and we need to know what the shortcut to place this application or this calculator application. How do I use the shortcut? You can see the shortcut or the application is live. So we can ask the next question, how we place this application. How do I use this shortcut? Okay, publish in WordPress, available in the snippet library. This version is now active on your site. You can save this code library from, okay. We can find the letter in the code snippet. Okay. Oh, this is okay. Okay, the ng is provide us with shortcode. Let's try to trust the ng. It's it's clever or not. Okay, we can close this test mode, exit test mode here. We copy already the ng shortcode. Okay, to minimize the ng, we can just collect this, and we can go to page and add page, for example, and try to creating one page. Oh, I'm sorry, we can undo and create a title calculator with shortcode. Okay, the shortcode calculator, let's publish. It's activate or not. If not, we can try to see the problem. Wow. It's magic. You can see 90 minus 6, for example. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. It's very cool. Making the ng is very good. We can save this project into the cloud. So if we have another websites, we can just import the project into our another existing site. Okay, you can see this is really works. Okay. Oh, very good. Ng can do this. Wow, amazing. Wow, 90 minus. Okay, we can, and we successfully build the simple calculator with ng AI agent, and looks the inside of ng. Okay, the ng menu, there is have code snippets. Okay, when you click this, you can see it's indicate how many application that you already built. You can see we can import from cloud library. Okay, you can see if you want to import your project, you need to make sure your account is the same with already registered in your ng here. You can see we can edit the code, we can edit with ng, or we can moving into trust. We can edit the snippet here. You can see main.php, style, script.js. Wow, you can publish or you can delete live or another here code snippet. Okay, so we successfully create calculator with AI agent, and that's all. From now, we can explore another possibility with ng in the future. So we excited to introduce this very brainstorming plugin inside the WordPress that we can build many applications inside WordPress directly. Okay, if you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.